Hello, it's Lee here from Fine and Country. Now I've got a really rare opportunity for you today. We're at Myandros, Kingsley Avenue, Ilfracombe. This house is on the market for the very first time in its 50-year history. It was built in 1975 by the present owners for their own occupation. It's very unique. It's got superb accommodation throughout with an abundance of space. So let's take a look inside now. So welcome inside Myandros, and as I said outside, this really is a unique and individual home. There's plenty of space in here and a lot of versatility. There's 5 bedrooms, 3 large reception rooms, 2 lovely light-filled conservatories, and an area of the property could be sectioned off to form an annex for an elderly or dependent relative. Now we're sat in this fabulous lounge here, and the lounge has got a feature fireplace, but the real striking feature are these lovely windows that perfectly frame the views out over the garden and towards the surrounding countryside. So Myandros is situated in a really private and tucked away position, yet it's still very convenient to the town's amenities, including the local park gardens, which are literally just a couple of 100 metres away. Now the property is approached via its own private driveway, and there's plenty of parking at the front here for several cars, probably 4 or 5 easily, and access into a large double garage in underneath. So here we are, we're around in the rear garden now, and the real striking feature of this property is the fabulous colours and the different species and varieties of plants and trees that you have throughout this lovely area. Now Myandros has got an acre of ground, and that's really unusual for properties that are so close to the town centre. It's 0.95 acres to be precise. Now there's lots of areas around the property that you can sit, explore and enjoy. There's lots of colour here, as I say, through the flowers, the bushes, the trees. You can grow vegetables. You've got plenty of place to sit out, al fresco meals, barbecues, you name it, you can do it. So just to recap then, we've got just under an acre of beautiful landscape gardens awash with colour throughout the different seasons. We've got the garage and plenty of parking. We've got 5 bedrooms, we've got the lovely reception rooms, the beautiful light-filled conservatories, and the potential for the annex for the dependent relative. So of course you're going to want to come and see this one. So to do that, call us on 01 271 869 112. Many thanks.